Let's move on to the discussion of vocabulary portion. We are just having one question, which is fill in the blanks with words related to medicine. Use the words in brackets to form a new word that fits into each blank. You can consult any authentic source if you don't know the meaning of these words. Thanks to modern medicine, there are many new dash for diseases which in past were dash. And we have first word treat in brackets. So isse hum treatment word derive karenge because it's appropriate over here. In the past were incurable. So the whole sentence is thanks to modern medicine, there are many new treatments for diseases which in the past were incurable. Many childhood dash and we have ill word in bracket, for example, have disappeared. Many childhood illnesses have disappeared. This is due to the use of vaccination. Dash, we have word medicine in bracket. Advances have also changed the way surgical operations are performed. So medical will be the word over here. These are less dash and we have word pain for the patient than they used to be. These are less painful, but dash we have word fortunate in the brackets. In third world countries, a high number of dash and we have infection word in brackets. Diseases are still common because of overpopulation and poor. Life word is in brackets condition. So first, but unfortunately, in third world countries, a high number of infectious diseases are still common because of overpopulation and poor living conditions. Malnutrition, which is caused by dash and we have word sufficient in brackets. Food is one of the many problems which can dash. We have threat word in brackets, children's lives in these countries. So malnutrition, which is caused by insufficient food, is one of the many problems which can threaten children's lives in these countries. With today's technology, there is no reason that a dash we have solved word in brackets to these problems should be beyond our and we have capable word in brackets. So with today's technology, there is no reason that a solution to these problems should be beyond our capability. So we are done with our vocabulary portion.